Tech. For those who want to start designing websites on your PCs, Windows PC, Windows 10, Windows 11, and probably Windows 8, you need this software called Microsoft Expression Web 4. So I'm going to show you in today's tutorial on how you can download, and then after downloading, on how you can install. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, Tech, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like the tutorial. In case of any problem, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to talk to me directly, my WhatsApp number is in the bio. So first and foremost, open Google Chrome on your PC or Microsoft Edge on your PC. After opening one of them, you're going to come where we search from and then type in Web 4 Expression Download. Visit, and you're going to scroll down until you see this TechSpot website. Tap onto it, and then after you're going to scroll and look for this download button and give it some few seconds, or give it a moment. It will depend on how fast your internet is. So we're going to wait for it until it starts to download. As you see, mine is downloading. Guys, remember that you must subscribe. I just request you to subscribe, share this tutorial to your friend, and if you want to use this tutorial in future, you can add it to your playlist, or you can save it to watch later in case you need this tutorial. So after downloading this Web 4 application, you're going to come and tap onto this folder icon, and once you tap onto that folder icon, you're going to come and double tap onto it. After double tapping onto it, give it some few seconds. It will depend on how fast your computer is, your RAM, your storage, and the generation of the computer you are using. And confirm yes, and then wait for it to extract those files. And after it extracting files, remember that this software can be used in the Uganda National Examination Board, probably at O level. For those who study ICT, you can use this program to design websites in your lessons and in your exams in the UCE ICT practical exams, but it can also be used in businesses, like on how to create business websites. I already made a tutorial, it is out on this YouTube channel, on how to do each and everything. And if you want more lectures, let me know in the comment section, or you can visit me on WhatsApp and we chat one-on-one. I'll be teaching you each and everything you want to know in web designing. So guys, this application is about to finish downloading. Let us wait for it. As you close each and every page, as you wait for it, as you wait the setup to install the necessary programs. Let us wait. I'll pause a video. As you see, it is done. Now you're going to come and tap finish, and then after you're going to come press Windows icon. Then you can come and search for Web 4. As you see, you're going to be tapping onto it and you'll be able to open. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech and I sign out.